All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time joining us, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and the channel is all about training. It's all about training people to do the same thing that we do to make money online, because it's a lot easier than working for somebody else. And if you want to make extra money on the side, this is the way to do it. And you can build passive income just by taking a couple hours out of your day and doing some of the things that we're teaching here on the channel. So you'll see we've got several different series on the channel. These are all different platforms and programs that we work with. And we go through step by step, and we show you exactly how we are working them so that we can make money. Now, this one is a brand new series we've been working on. Day 6 just came out, and this is step-by-step setup for a new program we just started. And actually, we just started 2 weeks ago, and we're already making money. We got paid today with this system. So it's going very well. Still plenty of time to get in early. I would take a look if I were you. But this series is our Clickbank series. And this is going to be day number 43 in the series, where we take $5 a day and we're turning it into $4,000 a month using a simple copy and paste system with MLGS. So just copy and paste in pre-written emails. We are on our 3rd promotion through Clickbank, and it's all free through Clickbank. So the only thing we're paying for is the email system that we're using, and it's $5 a day for 5 accounts. Now, if you want to use, you can use however many accounts you want. If you want to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. I recommend always more than 1, so you can get those extra bonus leads. I show you how to do that on video number 1, and then a couple other times during the series, I take that and show how to do that, so you can sign up under yourself and daisy chain those accounts so that you can get those double leads. If you don't, you're just not going to get the kind of traffic you're looking for. So that's our recommendation. But let's jump over to Clickbank and check out some stats. All right, let's see where we are today. There we go. And look in here. All right, there we go. So we're looking at our traffic today and see what we've done. So we're getting good traffic. We're getting people through to the order form now. And let's see. So we're starting to come in. We're starting to get impressions to our order form. So we've got 3. Now this is for today. We've got 201 clicks to our link. And we've got 3 impressions through to the order form. Now, it doesn't look like we have made another sale today. Let's see. Okay, so we didn't make another sale today. Let's look and see. We'll just go to the period. So the entire time we'll go to, or from January. All right, so here we are. We're still sitting at our 6 sales, so we haven't made anything recently. Our traffic is definitely coming up. It's working its magic. We've had 13,037 hits to our link between the programs that we're sending. So let's go ahead and jump over to My Lead Gen Secret and send our emails out for today. We have not done that yet. And I've got the 3rd email in this series pulled up. It doesn't seem like this offer is doing quite as well as some of the others, but we will definitely find out by the time we're done. All right, so again, I'm just going off the same Google Doc that is below this video. This is what we're going to be sending. And I just keep it on another screen so I can just go back and forth. So we'll grab our subject with Control-C. Control V. And then we're going to grab the full email plus our link. And let's go ahead and we'll grab the pre-header on this one. And then I'll make a couple changes in here. All right, so there's our email. Now I want to get rid of this. This is your pre-header here. So and then we'll put our short code, Control C, and Control V, comma. And one thing that I'll always do is I want to get rid of the bold. I'm going to leave that bold. I'm going to get rid of the rest. All right. And then this, I want to go ahead and I want to put your country in here. That kind of opens it up. And I'm going to go bold here. And let's put our signature. And we'll create our hop link. Right there. And then what we want to do, we'll copy that, Control C, and then let's go find where we can put this. All right, let's see. I say let's put it right here for 1. And yep, right here. So it says this link. So we'll put it again right there. And this one I'm going to bold, and I'm going to go ahead and bring that up one size. Yeah, that looks good. So we'll get rid of our hop link there because we've already got it. And this is going to be ready to send at this point. Looks good. We got everything in there. So we're going to highlight the entire thing, Control C, and then send it. Now, using the Google Doc for this, it does go through and does your pre-fruiting for you. So it kind of works out. You don't have to do a lot. You don't have to read thoroughly. It does call out grammar mistakes. It does show spelling mistakes, so you can just correct them inside your document. Makes it easy. So we'll go ahead and duplicate. And then we'll log into our next account. So log out, then log in. So we'll come all the way down. I'm going to highlight. I'm going to Control V. Perfect timing. Grab our subject line. Control C and Control V. And then we're going to grab our email for our next account. Control C and send it. I apologize. My internet has been slow the last couple days. There we go. We'll come back to our other tab. I'll log out. And we'll log into our third account. Select all. Highlight for the body. There we go. Perfect timing. And subject. Right there. And then we're going to grab the body of the email again. So we're prepared. Control C, send. All right, we go to our other tab that's open. We're going to log out, log back into number 4. Mailing system, select all the way down. Highlight, Control V to paste. Perfect timing. There we go. And subject, Control C, Control V. We're going to grab our email one last time and send it. All right, then we're going to switch tabs. Log out. We're going to go to number 5 for this promo right there. Mailing system, select all the way down. Control V, perfect timing. Back up to our subject line. Control C, Control V, and send it. All right, now that part is all done. So you'll see we run these systems a little bit different depending on which one we're running. But we always run MLGS on every one that we use because it just stacks in leads. So whether it's this one for HBA, this one right here, $25 business, whether it's this one, whether it's this Clickbank, whether it's this system, whether it's this new system, we're always running it the same. So you could basically take the training on any one of these and you would know how to run any kind of system that is out there because we show step by step how to do that. And then all you got to do is implement to which system you want to run. We run several because we want to stack as much passive income in here as we can, because who knows what the future is going to bring. And that is why we do this. I don't want to work until I'm 90 years old. So that's why we do this, so that we can have extra income rolling in all the time. Even after we pay our bills, that way we've got extra income piling on top of that, right? So guys, again, appreciate you being here. Don't forget to subscribe. We sure appreciate it. If you got any value out of this video, please leave me a like on it. If you like these, keep watching. We appreciate it. We're just going to continue this daily series and see how long it takes us to make that that steady income coming through. So see you on the next video. Later.